most people just focus on creating videos, putting out content, and making sure that their content go viral to get more views, more engagement, and ultimately more following. But what is the end game to this? Are you starting with the end in mind? Are you starting with the hopes of maybe making money from it one day? These questions should be answered just as you are putting out content, so that you won't end up, growing huge following without a sustainable way of making income from it. So if you watch till the end of this video, you're going to understand, you're going to discover 7 simple ways to make money from TikTok, even if you don't have a huge following. You don't need huge following for this. However, if you don't understand this, you will join the long train of TikTokers that just have video views, engagement, and huge followings without generating substantial revenue from their hard work and creativity. My name is Charles and I'm passionate about businesses. I love to see people and businesses grow, and that's what I do in this channel. I create amazing videos of online marketing, business, entrepreneurship, and life. So if this is your first time on this channel, just smash the subscribe button to subscribe, and there's also a bell sign just beside the subscribe button. Hit it to be notified whenever I post new videos. I'm going to be posting videos 2 times, 3 times every week now. So do not forget to like and share this video if you get value from it. So you can easily grow your audience on TikTok, but the problem creators face is monetization, making money from their TikTok followers, making money from their videos and all of that, from their engagement. Monetization is the big problem. I know it can be frustrating sometimes when you just put your time, put your effort, creating engaging content, spend the whole day making videos, brainstorming on concepts to make your video go viral, but you end up getting little or no cash after all this hard work. So the big question here is, how can I generate a stable income from my content on TikTok? So there are different ways you can do this, and if you watch to the end of this video, you're going to understand everything. So just stick with me till the end. And if you're interested in brainstorming or in monetization strategies, you can just click the link in the description and chat with me on WhatsApp to schedule a one-on-one call. So the first one is TikTok Creator Funds. I know most of us are aware of this one. The TikTok Creator Fund is more like a monetary program that the platform started to help reward TikTok influencers financially, and a number of content creators, influencers have opted into this, and you can also opt into it if you qualify for it. However, there are a number of factors that influence how these funds are calculated. So these elements include video views, engagement, as well as ensuring that your videos adhere to community guidelines and terms of service. So if you believe you meet these requirements, you can apply and maybe be enrolled into the TikTok Creator Funds. However, I believe that this alone is not a sustainable income and cannot yield so much unless you have millions of followers, millions of views on your videos and all that. So just keep watching to see other ways to make money on TikTok, even if you don't have huge followings. So the second one is live and video gifts and tips. Now, content creators can also get paid by receiving gifts and tips from viewers, from their audience, or from people that watch their videos. So this allows people to, show gratitude directly to you as a creator for your content, much like recognizing your work, your service, or giving you a stand ovation, clapping for you, and all of that. The standard, just as the standard is for tipping a waiter or tipping a waitress, is just the same way your viewers are tipping you for your nice service, for your nice creativity, and all of that. And you're going to receive like 100% of the tip value. These gifts and tips doesn't only apply for people going live, it applies for people that post videos, just your normal video content. You can enable the gifts and tips on the creator settings, so you can start receiving gifts, tips in your videos. So once someone sends you a gift, it will turn to diamonds, and then you can now turn or convert diamond to money. The third one is audio promotion services. So I don't see most people doing this. I don't see a lot of creators doing this. Meanwhile, there are platforms where you can do this, and I'll suggest that posting a gig on Fiverr or any freelance platform would be a great start for this. If you go to Fiverr now, you can see there are so many gigs aligned for you to do. You can just post up your gig or put up your gig on Fiverr or any freelance website that, okay, you do video promotion or any sort of thing. Just put up a good copy. You can see several gigs that have been put for TikTok monetization. So don't take advantage of going to Fiverr, signing up, and then, you know, putting up a gig. As you can see here, these are gigs. People, creators, influencers that post gigs on Fiverr, and this is how you can get paid. You just put up a gig and, you know, something will come up. So post on Fiverr, post a gig on Fiverr or on any freelance platform. You can also post on music promotion groups on Facebook, or do hard code old school style. And you know that's like reaching cold. Go to your cold audience. People that do not know you, go on Instagram, send a message, search for music promoters, send them a DM, tell them what you can do, tell them how you can help promote their songs, their artists, or other things. You know, there are people that just want creators to help put their song out there, make their sound trend. So if you don't go and search for them, you won't know this, you won't do that. So send them a DM and tell them how you want to help them, how you're giving value to them, how you're going to help them promote their sounds or their audio with your platform or the audience that you have. So up to 30% of the people you're going to DM, or 20%, will give you a positive result. It's all about numbers. It's a game of numbers. The more people you reach out to, you have a lot of no's. You know, more people you reach out to, the more people are likely to say yes to your offer. So I'm going to be sharing with you TikTok monetization websites towards the end of this video, so just keep watching. So I have a friend, he's a dancer, he's a creator on TikTok. When he had 5,000 followers, he was making up to $2,000 every month, and this was his strategy, and he still uses that same strategy. Now he has close to 100k followers. So this is the strategy you should be using if you're a dancer or if you're a creator that wants to reach out to more people. So for example, you're a dancer, you create dance videos. What should you do? DM, go to Instagram. This is code play. Go to Instagram, search for artists, search for producers, search for record labels, send them a message, draft a nice message, send to them, telling them about how you want, you know, how you want to help them, you know, promote their songs, a lot of that, their audio, make it trend, showcase it to your audience, create videos about it, funny videos and dance videos. In fact, depends on the kind of content that you're creating. So you can do this, reach out to a lot of people, and that's what he does to generate that kind of money. And most of his clients are people from the US, people from the UK, outside Nigeria, not just only in Nigeria. So you see, music is something that is not limited to one location. People in US will want to reach out to people in Nigeria. People in Nigeria want to reach out to people in the US. So they want to get a broader fan base. So if you're creating dance videos, you should slide into the DM of promoters, slide into the DM of artists, slide into the DM of record labels and all that on Instagram, and get your gigs up. You can put your pricing for $100, $200 per video. And my friend charges up to $200 per video, $150 per video, $300, depending on the kind of video. So if you want to discuss, like I said, if you want to discuss strategies, monetizing strategies, you can send a WhatsApp message and schedule a one-on-one call, and we'll talk about how you can go about all these things and how to draft or get a script for reaching out to people to help them promote their songs. So the fourth one is sponsorship. About 90% of millions TikTok creators are making come from brand deals. And if you're hoping to like get a brand deal, you might not need to have a huge following and high video views. It's more like a trade-off between quality content and quantity. So you need to put out more, and your content needs to have some kind of quality touch. And if you have small following, you still need to get some good form of branding to have a brand style, and your account needs to be like niched down to a single kind of content, style of content, if you don't have much followings to get a brand deal. So there are a lot of brands out there that need content creators to reach out to them, content creators to help them put their products out there. So most of the brand deals are as a result of creators, like I said before, going to them, reaching them, showing them what they can do, how they can help showcase their product, how they can help put their product out there to their own audience. So it's a matter of you reaching out. Most of these top guys, celebrities, you see, some brands don't even reach out to them. It's their managers that reach out to brands and show them that, look, my artist can do this for you, can do this for you. So you have to reach out to them. Don't just wait for a brand to come and, you know, reach out to you and say, hey, I love your content, blah blah blah. Yeah, that can happen, but you also need to reach out to them. So you can also let people know that you're open for sponsorship by putting a watermark on your videos, or maybe like a small picture frame in your, you know, props, maybe on the table or somewhere that says open for advertisement or advertise here, something like that. And you see that people might be willing to pay for that exposure. The fifth one is affiliate marketing. I love this one because this is where you get a commission when someone clicks your link and makes a purchase. This is one of the sweetest and easiest ways to monetize your TikTok account. It's not just a TikTok account, your social media account, and it doesn't cost you anything. All you just need is to put up a link in your bio. And I see that many creators don't do this on TikTok. There are many creators that don't like doing this. I don't know. You just need to ask yourself, what products can I sell around the content I'm creating? It will be easier for you to sell to your audience if your content is maybe somewhat related to the product that you are promoting. So let's say you create a content about food. You can add a link in your bio that contains an affiliate link, maybe Jumia affiliate or Konga affiliate link to maybe kitchen products or cooking pans or flour, something or anything around that your content that you are creating. And this is another way of generating, you know, income from your content, monetizing your content. So if you don't know what to sell, you can sell digital products. Digital products are very easy to sell. You can sell digital products from lenoflix.com or edubata.com. So the sixth one is get exclusive content or create info products. Now, getting a content is more like giving an insight or putting a bonus material behind a paywall. So for example, you create dance video content, you can add a link to your profile that lets people in, you know, an exclusive paid group to learn how to dance, you know, live, or for you to teach people one-on-one how to dance. Maybe if your content is baking, you know, some kind of nice designer's cake or baking in general, you can create an opportunity for people to learn what you do in an exclusive live class or something. So this can be done by hosting a live Zoom session, or maybe hosting a live event, and they can get to register from the link in your bio. Maybe set up a one-on-one session with you or a closed group call. So this doesn't end there. You can also create an info product around your content or your skill. I have a digital product that teaches you how to create an info product. If you want to learn, if you want to get a step-by-step guide and a mentorship on how to create info product, there's also a link in the description. You can click it to have a one-on-one chat with me, and then we can schedule and see how this goes. But info product, like I said, you can create an info product around your skill. Maybe you know how to make hair, you create content about hair. You can create, you know, a video or an info product around that skill, and I'll teach you the best way to do it and brand it and how to, you know, package it and put it out for people to, you know, buy. Because it's not just about creating an info product, but it's about putting out there for people to buy, and how you would convince your audience or your followings to buy that your product, your info product, The seventh one is audio streaming. I love this one a lot, and that's why I left it for the last. There are two ways to go around this. So the first one is to sign up on an audio streaming platform. And there are several audio streaming platforms that can pay you to promote or use their songs or sound from their platform on TikTok. So for example, we have sound.me. You get paid for just using sounds from that platform on TikTok videos. That's the first way. So the second way to do this is to record a sound, record a jingle, or a song, a full song, and use the song on your videos. I see this a lot. I see a lot of creators doing this. Have you ever wondered why all of a sudden your favorite content creator just started singing a song? Just started making music, whether it's a serious one or it's just one for the jokes. So it's all about the streams. You can make money from people using your sound on TikTok music, Reels music, Facebook, and other social media platforms. Not just that, you can also make money from people who stream your music on Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, Audiomack, and the rest of them. So you already know this, but as a content creator, this is another way for you to generate side income, because as a content creator, your followers, your audience, your fans, they want you, they like you. So everything that you do would interest them and they would want to, engage with it. So why not use that to generate another stream of income and not just relying on other ones? So like I said, there are several ways to make money from this. So it will be your job to make sure that your audience use your sound or your song by creating a lot of videos and reposting the ones that your followers use, because your followers want to be making videos with your sound and post all of them, because the more they stream, remember, when you just upload a sound to TikTok normally, you might not get paid because you don't own the copyright to that particular sound. So there are some platforms that let you have that copyright on all the streaming platforms, including YouTube Music, Apple Music, all of them. So once you upload your song on that platform, it will send your song to all those platforms, and then you have the copyright. So wherever they play your sound, if it's on TikTok video, Instagram video, YouTube video, Facebook music, whatever, you're going to get paid a particular commission. So that's the importance of copyrighting your sound, songs, or whatever, putting it on Spotify and all of that. So you need to compel your audience to like your song by constantly making content with your sound and encouraging them to use your sound. So before you know it, soon enough you get people to start streaming the song on Spotify and the rest of them. Many songs blew up on TikTok because they're always putting it out, forcing it on the audience, putting it out, creating videos around it, and letting their fans create videos around it to push it further. You see that a song just got over 100k streams, 1 million streams just from TikTok. Not on TikTok, from TikTok to another, like on Spotify. But the viewers got to like the song on TikTok, and then they went over to Spotify to just keep listening to the song, or maybe Audiomack and all of that. So in another video, I'll show you the platform that you can upload your song or sound to, copyright it on all audio streaming platforms, including TikTok. Yes, people use your sound on TikTok. Yeah, you get paid. So if you want me to talk about it, just put it down in the comment section, and I'm going to talk about it in another video. So thank you for staying to the end of this video, and I'm glad that you enjoyed it. So if you've gotten value from this video, just put a thumbs up in the comment section. And if you have any tips, any questions, anything you want to say, or anything you want me to talk about, just put it down in the comment section and I'll give you a reply, or I'll make a video about it. If this is your first time on this channel, just hit the subscribe button to subscribe and smash the notification sign to be notified whenever I put out a new video. And don't forget to like this video. Seriously, the algorithm loves it. When you like this video, more people would get to see the video. So just hit the like button, hit the share, and thank you for watching. Nice having you there, my friend.